Hey, what's up guys? So you have a Toshiba Fire TV and you have an issue where the audio is not in sync or is delayed. Doesn't matter if it's from one app like YouTube or Hulu or Amazon Prime, or maybe on certain channels or one channel is just out of sync, or perhaps you have a Bluetooth headphone and it's out of sync. I want you to try these methods first, okay? So first thing is this. With the TV on, what I want you to do is go back where your power cable is plugged into the wall socket. With the TV on, I want you to pull the plug. It's going to turn off the TV. Wait 30 seconds. Go ahead and plug it back in and then turn on your TV, and then whatever app or whatever you're using that was delayed, had a delayed or audio sync issue, try it, and most of you guys should be up and running, okay? Now, if it still didn't work, we're going to go to the next step. So for this next step here, what you got to do is go into the settings, okay? So just go ahead and click on your home button on the remote, and then you want to go all the way down. You want to go to settings right here, and then you want to go down and you want to go to, oops, I just passed it. Oh, here we go. Display and sounds. Go ahead and okay that. And now from here, you have a Toshiba Fire TV and you have a audio sync issue. Maybe it's just like delayed. Maybe it's only happening to one app, or maybe it's on YouTube, or maybe it's Netflix. It doesn't matter if it's all the apps or just one app. Even if you're on like a Bluetooth headphone and you have an audio sync issue, or maybe you're watching TV on there, maybe one channel or two or all the channels have a sync issue. I'm going to give you guys two solutions to get you up and running right now, okay? So first thing is this. With the TV on, what I want you to do is go in the back of the TV where it's plugged into the wall socket. With the TV on, I want you to pull the plug, and then obviously your TV is going to turn off and the screen is going to turn totally black. I want you to wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in, turn your TV back on, and then go ahead to the app or channel or Bluetooth headphones or whatever you were watching that had the audio sync issue. And now most of you guys should be up and running. Now if you're still down, the next step is we're going to have to go into the settings, okay? So just go ahead and press on the home button on your remote, and then we want to go ahead and we want to slide all the way down to settings, and then we want to go down. Now we want to go ahead and go all the way over to where it says applications, okay? Let's go ahead and click on that. And now we're going to go down to where it says Managed Installed Applications. So let's go into there. Now the trick is here, what we have to do is we have to go through all these apps and we have to make sure that the cache is 0, okay? You can see I have cache right here. I have 652 kilobytes. There's 4. This one's 0. I don't have to do nothing to there. 52. So some of them might have 0. Anyway, all the ones that have cache available, what I want you to do is clear out the cache, make it 0 on all the apps. So this air screen I have here, it doesn't matter what app it is. Let me just go ahead and highlight that. Let me click on that. And let me go down here and it says, don't clear data. Make sure you only clear cache, okay? Let's clear the cache. And you can see down there, it turns to 0. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to the next app. Alexa Shopping has 4. Let's go down here and we're going to go ahead and clear cache. Now it says 0. Let's go back. Let's find another one here. Okay, that one's already 0. Okay, here's Amazon Music. Let's go in here. Let's go down to clear cache. Okay, and now it's 0. Now go back. Now do this for all the apps, okay? And then once you're done, the next thing that you have to do is we're going to go back to the home here. And then we're going to go back to settings. And then we're going to go down. Now we have to go to device and software, and we're going to restart the TV, okay? So here we go, device and software. Go ahead and click on that. And then we're simply going to go down to restart. You have to restart it like this, okay? So let's go ahead and restart. Restart TV, let's move over. Let's okay that. Once the TV is booted back up, you guys should be back in sync. If you are, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. We should see at least an 80% thumbs up ratio. Okay, anyways, good luck. See you guys in the next one.